Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let us start. To do this trend, first open Instagram. Go to your profile and then go to edit and then write the 208 in your bio. Now take a screenshot of this page. Now after this, open Spotify. You have to search the song Memories and then stop the song at the 208 time duration. Now take a screenshot of this page. Now start your screen recorder and record while pulling the notification bar and then open the song from there and play. Record from 4 to 5 seconds and then stop the screen recording and save. Now after this, open any editing application. I'm using CapCut. Now go to New Project and add the first screenshot. Now select the format 9:16. Delete the end part. Now first adjust the screenshot into full screen and then split into 5 parts. Now zoom from the second photo one by one. Now set these screenshots to 0 point per second. Now add audio. You can get the audio from link given in the description. Now add the second screenshot and then split it into 4 parts. Now zoom the photos and set these screenshots to 0.3 second. Now after this, at the screen recording. Now adjust the screen recording to full screen and then set it according to the timing of the audio. Delete the extra part and keep the required part. You can increase the speed of the video so that it matches with the beat. Now delete the extra part. Now add the overlay from where the audio is starting playing. Go to Overlays and add your video. After adding video, go to Edit then Crop and select the ratio 1:1. Now place it over the song cover photo. Now set this clip duration to 0.5 second. Now click on the end of that clip and add another clip. Now again go to Edit and set the ratio to 1:1 and place it over the previous clip. Now set the clip to 0.5 second. Now you have to follow the same process till the end of the audio. If you want to add more clips to the audio, then you can set the clip's duration to 0.2 or 0.3 second. Now after doing it all, check your video. Now export your video. If you have any problem during editing, you can DM me on Instagram and ask your queries. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.